How do you change the default units in InDesign? Well, you might notice we're not even looking at InDesign right now because we need to open up a fresh version of it. Once we have that open with no project opened, we need to go up to InDesign. On Windows, this might be the Edit tab, but you need to find the Preferences. Once we're in Preferences, we need to go to Units and Increments. As long as you get to Preferences, you'll see the tabs here on the left-hand side, and you can click Units and Increments. Here, we need to adjust the ruler units. I am not ever going to use these picas, but I will use inches. And I need to change horizontal and vertical to inches. Stroke on points, I'm fine with that. Anything else, you can take a look, make sure it all looks good for you, and then we can go to OK. Now, whenever we start a new file, the default is in inches, not picas or whatever it might be for you. And we can hit Create. And now also, the rulers, because we changed those units, are also in inches. You see when I right-click that, it's in inches. And we have all these different options here. But if you had a document open and you went and did those same preferences, that would only change for that document. That wouldn't change for every document and every new document going forward. So you've got to make sure that you close out all of your projects, then go into preferences, and you can change your default units to whatever units you'd like to use the most here in InDesign.